Hello and welcome back to another belly dance tutorial here on the SH.E.B.A channel. My name is Salit and today we're adding dynamics to our dance. So much like the level changes tutorial we have here on the channel, which I will include a link for in the description of this video, dynamics add color and flavor to our dance. That's why I'm all colorful today. So today we'll achieve dynamics by using the contrast between fast and slow movements. So go get yourself warmed up and we'll start right after. So any move can be done fast or slow. Generally, for a move to be faster, it becomes smaller. So today we'll select a few moves to play around with, and then you can apply that concept to all your other moves. So let's start by holding the hips and putting one foot in front with the heel up. We're standing nice and tall, relax the tailbone down, and then we'll use the single hip circle going inwards. So roll it slowly and then fast. So release your middle and make the move smaller. Again, slowly, you can make it really big and then small and fast. Other side, try it. Lift the heel, super small and big, and then small and fast. And slow and fast. Remember to breathe. Let's add. So hip up and slow drop. Up and slow drop. Now we do fast, fast, fast. You can hold the arms up. Slow drop, and fast, fast, fast. And lift and slow drop. Slow drop and fast, fast, fast. Notice how it becomes smaller. Slow, time, and fast, fast, fast. Let's combine just these two. You can hold the hips for now, starting with the right side. One full circle, another half circle, finish with the hip on top, and then two fast drops. Together, 1.5 and drop, drop. Hold the arms out, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now with the arms up like an arrow and relaxing the shoulders, and we go 1, 2, 3, drop, drop. Other side, you can hold the hips and full circle, half a circle, hold the hip up and down, down. And 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. Up like an arrow, relax the shoulders, and 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. Notice that I divide those hip drops. Make it small, 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 small. Shake it up. Let's add undulation. From the chest, roll in and out. 1 and 2. Or fast, I'll show you from the side. 1 and 2. So to get faster, you really need to relax here, your diaphragm, your abs, and let all the air out. Because if you hold and you tense up, it's not going to work. You need to relax, relax. And of course, you build up the stamina over time. Luckily for you, we're using the slow undulation for today's combo. So let's combine, hold the hips or out. I'm going to put the arms up here and 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. 1 and 2. Just that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. Try the other side. Nice and tall. And 1, 2, 3, boom, boom. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. Back to center. Let's add. We're going to use our arms. So lifting from the elbows, reaching out, and bending the elbows. Lift and reach. We have a whole tutorial just on arms and hands. Check it out. And then we use one arm from the elbow and reach, elbow down. Up, out, and down. Now we go. Fast, fast, slow. Fast, fast, slow. Open wider. Lean, lean, pull, slow. Let that heel come off the floor. And then other side. Lean, lean, slow, pull, lift the heel off the floor. Let's just practice that. And 1, 2, 3. Quick, quick, slow. Keep breathing. Quick, quick, slow. Here, soften the knees in the center. Keep those arms up. Make the move small, remember? Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and relax. Give your arms a break. Let's combine this whole thing. And we go circle. 1, 2, 3, drop, drop. Undulate. 1, 2, 3, and left side. And 1, 2, up, down, down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and now we're just gonna add a slow drag to this from the right side. And 1, 2, 3, drop, drop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Drag, lift. 3 and 4. You can just hold for 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the left, right from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Undulate. 2, 1, 2, 3. Drag. 1, 2, 3. Just hold. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Relax. Shake it up. Now, here when we finish, you can just hold for 4 or you can try to shimmy. Finish and shimmy with the heel up, or you can place the foot down and shake the knees. This doesn't need to be fast, or it could be. You can try playing around with the dynamics. So let's combine everything nice and slow. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, drop, drop. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, try the shimmy. 1, 2, 3, left side, and 1, 2, 3, drop, drop. Undulate, and 1, 2, 3, and slow. 2, 3, and 4. Shimmy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's try using different arms on the transitions. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, drop, drop. Undulate, and 1, 2, 3. Just a single arm. 2, 3, 4. Then you can add the arm. 3 and 4. Go 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom. 1, 2. Reach, reach, reach. And 2 arms. 2, 3, and 4. Reach up. 2, 3, and 4. Let's practice all that with the music.
خليها لك المرة دي وحن بنظرة، خليها لك المرة دي وسمعني كلمة، خليها لك المرة دي وحن بنظرة، خليها لك المرة دي وسمعني كلمة، وانا راضية بالعيونك تسمح لي بيه، وراضية باللي قلبك يوافق لي عليه، وانا راضية بالعيونك تسمح لي بيه، وراضية باللي قلبك يوافق لي عليه، وراضية بحبك بس فين الاقيه.
Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comments what was your favorite part and what other topics you would like us to cover here in the tutorials. Until next time, keep dancing. Did you know that subscribing to a YouTube channel increases your happiness? Try it. Start with this one. You'll get loads of belly dance tutorials that will definitely make you happy.